5 Best Dropshipping Suppliers for Beauty Products. The beauty industry is booming in the e-commerce world, with customers constantly searching for skincare, makeup, and wellness products that suit their needs. To succeed in this highly competitive niche, you need reliable dropshipping suppliers that provide high-quality beauty products and fast shipping. In today's video, we'll reveal the 5 best dropshipping suppliers for beauty products to help you grow your store and attract beauty-conscious customers. Hey guys, welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best dropshipping suppliers for beauty products. Whether you're selling makeup, skincare, or wellness items, these suppliers will help you deliver the best products to your customers while building a successful dropshipping business. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss our supplier reviews, e-commerce tips, and strategies for success. Let's jump right in. At number 5, Green Dropship. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Green Dropship, a trusted supplier specializing in natural and organic products. What they offer: Green Dropship provides a wide range of beauty products, including organic skincare, essential oils, and wellness items. Why they're great for dropshipping. With the growing demand for eco-friendly products, Green Dropship helps you cater to customers who prioritize sustainability. Shipping advantage. Their US-based warehouses ensure faster delivery times for American customers. If your niche is eco-conscious beauty, Green Dropship is a fantastic partner for your dropshipping business. At number 4, Beauty Joint. Coming in at number 4 is Beauty Joint, a leading supplier of makeup and cosmetics. What they offer: beauty. Joint specializes in affordable, trendy makeup brands, offering everything from lipsticks and eyeshadows to brushes and tools. Why they're popular. Their focus on popular brands and budget-friendly pricing makes them perfect for dropshippers targeting makeup enthusiasts. Why it's great for dropshipping. With a variety of products, you can attract customers looking for trendy and affordable beauty solutions. If you're targeting makeup lovers, Beauty Joint is a reliable supplier with a diverse catalog of beauty products. At number 3, AliExpress via Oberlo or de-essers. Next up at number 3 is AliExpress, one of the most popular platforms for dropshipping beauty products. What they offer: AliExpress features an extensive selection of beauty products, including skincare, hair care, makeup, and beauty tools. Why it's great for dropshipping. Their affordable prices allow you to test products in different niches, and tools like Oberlo and de-essers automate the process. Shipping advantage. Many AliExpress suppliers offer e-packet shipping for faster delivery to global customers. If you want variety and low pricing for your beauty store, AliExpress is a great option to start with. At number 2, Spocket. Coming in at number 2 is Spocket, a premium dropshipping platform that offers beauty products sourced from the US and Europe. What they offer. Spocket's beauty category includes skincare items, hair care products, and organic wellness goods from premium suppliers. Why they're great for dropshipping. Spocket's focus on quality and faster shipping times makes them a favorite for dropshippers targeting boutique customers. Seamless integration. The platform integrates easily with Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix, simplifying your operations. If you want to stand out with high-quality beauty products, Spocket is an excellent platform for your dropshipping store. At number 1, FragranceNet. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is FragranceNet, a top supplier for beauty and fragrance products. What they offer. FragranceNet specializes in perfumes, skincare, makeup, and hair care products from premium and luxury brands. Why they're the best. Their wide selection of high-end beauty products helps you cater to customers who value luxury and quality. Shipping advantage. FragranceNet's US-based operations ensure fast and reliable shipping across the country. If you're targeting a luxury beauty audience, FragranceNet is the ultimate supplier for your dropshipping business. And that's a wrap. And that's our list of the 5 best dropshipping suppliers for beauty products. Let's quickly recap the list. FragranceNet, best overall for luxury and premium beauty products. Spocket, ideal for high-quality, boutique beauty items with fast shipping. AliExpress, perfect for variety and affordable options in the beauty niche. Beauty Joint, great for trendy and budget-friendly makeup and cosmetics. Green Dropship, a reliable supplier for eco-friendly and organic beauty products. Which of these suppliers are you most excited to try for your beauty store? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more tips, supplier reviews, and strategies to grow your store. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling.